Hey everybody, Stephen here, Small Family Adventures. I hope you're having a great day. So we're here in Michigan, and we're here to celebrate my dad's life as he passes on to be with Jesus. And so I thought today I would share with you. Well, look, here's my morning today. It is excited. If you like boats and water and outdoor scenic, I think you'll like this one. Go ahead, check it out. So there you go. What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? Oh my goodness. The timing just worked out perfect. The way the seagulls just came in, and then the two barges. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. Well, it's time for me to go back. The morning is not just about up, it's just getting started, but sunrise is done, and it's time for me to move on. So you guys have a great day, and I hope to show some more videos as time goes by. Have a good day, and from my family to yours, have an awesome day, okay? We'll see you soon. Bye.